Hey, what's up, Nudia creators? This is the newest tutorial video on how to use the Q feature to create your Amazon KDP coloring books. Very simple, very powerful. Okay, this is how you create a book in one go. So here we have, I just put in the same word 50 times, gnome. Then I chose my art style, okay? And if you want 50 of this, by the way, I usually, when it comes to a book of one theme, I mean, if you're creating an activity book or something, that's something different. But if you're creating like one themed, for example, alligator in the swamp or something like that along those lines, you just need the same, you just need to repeat the same prompt again and again and again. I'm going to have a feature in here where you have the ability to choose how many times you want the same prompt. So yeah, anyways, you can go to any other AI and have it done and have it just replicate the same word 50 times like I did. No. You pick your art style, you pick your AI engine, either Flux 2 or Nano Banana. These are my favorite. Go with background. I recommend background. Choose the trim size, okay? Choose the number of images per prompt. Okay. Then you'll see this really, what I consider a magical button, add to queue. Once you do that, it's going to do the work for you. And you just have to, you can close your computer, you can do whatever you want. You'll get an email once the work is done. And if you don't see the email, it doesn't matter. You just go back to Nudia Creator and you go to the queue section right here, the queue section, and you have all of your coloring pages. Now you just go through and you find what you like, right? Because it's Nano Banana, I chose Nano Banana for this. They all, I mean, I haven't gone through over like 100 of these, but all of them look fantastic. I doubt there are any mistakes. But yeah, let's look at this one here. Let's um, let's look at that. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's look at this one here. Another good one. Okay. And from here, you just select the ones you want. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to show you after that you select these, after selecting these, you can create and compile a book very fast because the AI Nudia Creator does it for you. Really powerful stuff. But yeah, this is such a powerful feature because, well, you can just get one themed coloring book done instead of, you can have it done in, I don't know, an hour or so, just done for you, basically done for you, right? Unlike, before you'd have to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with the AI, collecting each image, moving each image off the PowerPoint or moving each image off the Canva, formatting it there. If you've ever made and sold a coloring book, the old way really sucks. It does. It just plainly is no good. This is a far superior way, especially now with the introduction of the new AIs that Luke, my business partner, put into Nudia Creator. It makes the whole process easier. And again, no API from you. I mean, I have, besides our software, every other software has asked for my API key. Okay, what does that mean? You gotta pay a recurring, basically. Either either they ask you to pay a recurring, the people that are selling the software, or they give you a one-time AI tool. But you get in there, you gotta put in your AI API key. That means you do have to pay a recurring, not to them, not to the vendor of that AI tool, but to an actual AI like Gemini Pro or ChatGPT. Not with us. We have real AI engines here in Nudia Creator on our other software tools, and you don't have to pay any recurring. You don't have to put in your API key. This is groundbreaking, unheard of, and yeah, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to select these different images. I can do them all and create a big, giant stained glass gnome coloring book, and create a fantastic coloring book doing that. But that's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can watch more of these videos. If you don't have this tool, I'll have a, let me expand this. I'll have a link above right here showing you where you can get it. I recommend you use this link. It's the best. We do we do have discounts once in a while, but you got to check out the link above. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.